know, just casually buying wedding dresses, you know? No big deal. Hello, my cute little internet friends, and welcome back to my channel. You read that title correct. You clicked on this video. You know what you're in store for, and you are probably thinking, Lisa, wow, slow down. You're intense with this wedding stuff, and you would not be incorrect. However, you guys, Black Friday. I love a sale, and if you think I wasn't going to at least try some wedding dresses that were on extreme discount, then you're out of your mind and you clearly don't know me, because your girl loves a sale. And also on top of that, I have been like starting to do the research into this whole like wedding thing. We haven't even figured out when we're getting married or where we're getting married, any of that. But what I have figured out are that weddings are really, really expensive. And I am having a really hard time wrapping my head around the idea of spending all this money on one day. Like, don't get me wrong, this day is going to be one of the most important and special days of my life. But that's just because I am marrying Jeff. It's not because I'm having a party and wearing a dress. Like, the magical and priceless thing here is that I get to marry the love of my life. But everything around it is just extra fluff, which is super fun, and I'm really excited to do it, but I am having a hard time justifying spending all of this money. All that is to say, when I knew Black Friday was rolling around and I realized, oh my God, I'm engaged, I figured, let me at least just look and see if there are any wedding dresses that might be on super sale that are appealing to me that could work out. So, all that being said, most places weren't having sales, and the ones that were, their dresses were so expensive that even the sale put them at like, you know, $1,500, and I just can't do that. In the ideal world, I wouldn't spend more than $500 on a dress, which is so much. I've never spent $500 on a dress, but I guess for a wedding that makes sense. Maximum, like if I find the dress of my dreams and I'm like, this is it, have to have it, like maybe $1,000. And that's pushing it, because that's one night of your life. I'm definitely gonna look into vintage dresses, secondhand dresses, and also look into renting a dress, because I think that that's definitely an interesting option. However, I came across the Reformation website, and I've never bought anything from them, but I like follow them on Instagram, and I see them. I think they sell their stuff at Nordstrom, so I've seen the brand like all over. What I didn't realize is that they're a sustainable brand, so they use a lot of recycled materials, and they're trying to do good for the world. And I love the idea of getting a dress that's made out of recycled materials and isn't adding to the pollution that the fashion industry is contributing greatly to. So I was excited to find out that they were having a 30% off sale for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and I happened to find two dresses that I thought would be something that I would actually wear. I could have like bought a bunch of dresses in styles that I don't think I'm interested in, but I thought for the purposes of this, I really am actually looking for a dress. I'm not just doing this for fun, for video content. This is like for real life, but I figured I might as well document it because content. That's all to say, I would love to like go on Wish and other websites and try on some like crazy dresses. But for this purposes, I ended up only getting two dresses, but they were at 30% off, and I'm gonna try them on here and see if I get lucky. So like I said, all the dresses were 30% off, and I felt like they were both, at least the ones I got, were both under $1,000 to begin with. So the prices ended up being so great. I got two dresses for under $700. It was free shipping and it's free return. So if these don't work, I'm definitely gonna return them. And the box actually came so quickly. I figured because of the sale, it would take like a little bit longer to get everything out, but sure enough, it came in like 2 days. And so here is how they packaged it in one big box, and then they both came in these great bags. I thought it was lovely the way that they did it, and I'm really, really excited to dive in. Okay, so first off is the verbena dress. It was originally $328, but with the discount, I got it for $229.60. I'm not sure about my sizing here. I feel like I might have made a mistake and gotten too small, but like I just don't have any concept of how wedding dresses fit, and I also have never bought from this brand before. But I got a size 2 in the ivory, and technically this dress, I'll leave the links below to both of them. This one comes in a bunch of different colors, and it leads me to believe that people often buy these dresses as bridesmaid dresses, but I guess I should go back for a second and say, like, I am not one of those girls who, first of all, had an idea of what kind of wedding dress I would ever want. Again, I didn't even really think I would ever get married. And two, like, I just am not someone who's gonna get like a big old poofy dress or anything like super extravagant. So I liked how simple this dress was, and so I am definitely excited to check this out. So here she is. And right off the bat, this is supposed to be like an off the shoulder, even though it looks like a weird thing. Right off the bat, I am not like super like, woo! It definitely needs to be ironed, but I like the simplicity of it. It's pretty, it definitely looks a little bit sheer, and obviously it's really hard to see in this frame, but you'll see when I put it on, that it's very long and very beautiful and very, I'm getting married. I don't know. But I guess I should be like totally transparent and let you know that I actually have already tried both of these on. I'm filming this intro after the try-on because I usually don't do that and I want you to be there for every step of the way, but because this is the first time I've ever tried on wedding dresses before, and I'm not like a total sucker for tradition, and I feel like this whole process I'm gonna be doing it my own way, and Jeff and I are doing things our own way, but it is really important to me that I share this moment with my mother, and she's my best friend, and also she's like my favorite shopping partner. So I invited my mom over earlier, and well, I'll let you see how this goes. I mean, if we're gonna do it, we gotta do it the way that they do it at the fancy stores.
That's right.
Whee! Aw, Mom, these magic moments.
Doesn't fit. Not so magical yet. No joke. You got some boobs.
Damn, squeeze them in. I feel like I look so creepy. Like I look like one of those like dolls in
Really?
a horror movie. I just feel like it kind of looks like I'm wearing a nightgown. A little bit. Like the material's a little bit too thin.
Yeah.
I like the idea of this up here.
I like that idea too.
But this is like really thin that first of all, you can kind of see everything underneath. But secondly, I just feel like it's just a little too nightgowny.
Yeah.
Like I want something super simple, but this is almost too simple.
It is nightgowny. Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like I'm wearing a nightgown.
It's the wrong fabric.
Yeah.
But up here is great.
Yeah, this is a good idea.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
I like this because it covers like the part of my arms that I don't necessarily love. I know, roll your eyes, but like whatever, we all have our things and I want to feel comfortable.
Yeah, of course.
In pictures and stuff, so it like.
The bodice fits beautiful.
Yeah, this is nice with
it's
that,
really
but.
nice. Yeah.
So overall, for the price, I feel like it's decent, but obviously it needs to be ironed. I just feel like the material is not the right material.
Yeah. It's too flimsy.
It's too flimsy.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I mean, it was on sale 30%, but it's still like $300 or like, so I feel like that's pretty expensive for this.
Oh, yeah, way overpriced.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're returning it. Okay, so I'm just gonna like say this out loud because I feel like I'm taking notes as we go along. Because this is like such a learning curve here, but obviously that dress wasn't right, but what I did learn from it is that I love the off the shoulder and I love the simplicity of it, but we definitely need a little bit different of a material, whether that be a thicker material or a lace material, which brings us to this next dress, which I'm excited about. This is the Merlot dress. It was originally $528, but I got it for $369.60. I also got it in a size 2, which now I know might have been a mistake, and it's in the ivory. A lot of these dresses I'm realizing are either in like a white or in an ivory. I'm also definitely open to wearing something other than white. Again, not super traditional, but I do want to at least try it and give it a shot. So let's take a look. And here she is. Obviously, this is a lot more structured of a dress with this beautiful lace. I'm not a huge lace fan, and I was never like, I need a lace dress, but I find this lace to be so dainty and pretty, and it's not, I guess the pattern is a little bit bigger than like a doily lace. I don't know if that's like how you describe lace, but whatever. Again, it has the same sort of off the shoulder look, but this is definitely a lot more structured and has a lot more detailing. I like this back, which I don't know if you can see, but this is the stretchy back with the zip, and then an empire waist. I think is what it's called. I don't know, this is really pretty and I'm excited for you to see me try it on. Another dress, another reminder that I ordered too small. This is like that sad scene in Titanic where the mom's like pulling on her.
Yeah. Don't pee, don't breathe. Oh. Yeah, there you go.
I thought I would have like a magical, like, I'm gonna cry in this video moment. I just like think this is the most absurd thing I've ever done. What do you think?
I like it, but we just need to different size, that's all. But it's really cute. Are you dying?
It actually doesn't feel very tight, even though my boobs are flowing over. I just like, I don't like wearing form-fitting things. And I feel like this is pretty, like, I want to be able to like eat cake on my wedding and not feel like I have to suck it in. I also don't want to wear Spanx on my wedding.
No.
It is pretty though. This is a way nicer dress than the other.
Oh, it's way better.
I actually think like it's not like super fancy, but it's fancy enough.
Yeah.
I love the top.
You have to do off the shoulder for sure.
Yeah, I think that's the thing that we learned is that I want to do the off the shoulder. Although I gotta say, like, this might start dropping. I don't know. I don't want to do this the whole night.
Yeah. You don't like form fitting? It looks amazing on you.
I guess if I sized up, it's definitely like too tight in the thighs. I guess I could size up, and then if the size up is a little loose, then they could,
they can adjust it. That's really pretty.
I mean, I feel like it's a contender, but I didn't put it on and be like, wow.
Yeah.
This is cute in theory.
It's very cute.
I don't know.
It's very cute.
What did we learn here? That things go on sale for a reason. We learned that we like this.
For sure. And I do kind of like the lace. It's very subtle.
It's not too lacy. I feel like some of the lace dresses are like so intensely laced.
Yeah.
This is like a nice version. This is as lacy as I would ever want to get. It don't look like a doily.
No, it's very subtle, and also I do love the sleeves.
Yeah, this is nice. I feel like this is a flattering style.
And let's just be honest, I love the stretch in the back.
I love how it stretches. How does the booty look?
Yeah, the booty looks amazing. Yeah.
Booty popping. We're getting there. We're getting there. Well, I didn't say yes to the dress, but I have to say, both options were decent. I feel like the first one wasn't nice enough for a wedding dress, specifically like the material. But I definitely feel like you don't have to spend thousands of dollars on a wedding dress. I guess we'll continue this journey. We have like a year, but she loves a sale. I had to hit up that Black Friday sale.
That's right. And you get to drink champagne.
And any excuse to drink champagne in the middle of the day. So there you go, my friends. I hope that was enough of a video for you. Again, I didn't do this for a video. I did this literally just for me in hopes that I would have found my dress right away, which I guess is like such a pipe dream. And maybe it's better that I didn't find it. As much as I like a sale and I don't want to spend a lot on a dress, I do like the idea of like going to a few places with some friends and family. And I don't know, this is such an interesting process because I'm such, again, a private person, which I realize is ironic because of the job I do, but like, I like hate to like make things about me, and the thought of like asking my friends to go try on dresses with me like kind of makes me want to die, but here I am asking all of you guys to watch this. But that's all being said, like this was for me, this didn't work, but I'm looking forward to figuring out what will work and trying some more things. I did learn a few things today, however. One, I feel like a thicker material is definitely good. I feel like it's more flattering, and I understand why wedding dresses are a little bit more expensive because I feel like the more structured they are, the more flattering they are. But I also learned that I do love the off-the-shoulder look, and that's something that I definitely want to keep looking at. But that even if I felt like I was at my best and I maybe like laid off some of the french fries and some of the booze and all that for a while and felt like my best self, I still don't think I would like a very fitted dress, like that mermaid look. It's just, I don't want to even have to worry about how I look or if I'm gonna look okay in pictures. Like I just want to feel comfortable and pretty and feel like myself. So that's definitely something to look for as I move forward. Maybe something a little bit flowier. I don't know. But I'm open to it. And I also learned that I think that there's some styles out there that I wouldn't naturally gravitate towards, but are definitely worth trying. So I'm all about it. In the comments below, let me know if any of these dresses you really liked and if you think I should give a second shot, or if there's like a website or an Instagram handle or any like dress that you've seen that you're like, oh my God, please go try this on. Let's go out there, let's go try it, and allow me to waste my money so you don't have to. Although I'm definitely gonna return these. I'm a return queen, so thank you. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and thanks for going on this journey with me. I love you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Cheers.
Cheers.
To never having to leave the house.
The best.